Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your neighborhood research with NeighborhoodScout step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the NeighborhoodScout website. Once on the home page, look for the search bar prominently displayed at the top. Enter the name of your neighborhood, city, or zip code into the search bar. Press the search icon to initiate the search. After the results load, review the overview of your selected area. Take a moment to explore the various data points presented, including demographics and crime rates. Scroll down to find specific neighborhood statistics, such as property values and market trends. Look for the section labeled Schools to assess nearby educational options. Examine the neighborhood's amenities including parks, shops, and public transport. Click on the Market Overview tab to understand local real estate trends. Review the historical data to gauge property value fluctuations over time. Consider utilizing the comparison tool to stack your neighborhood against others in the area. Take note of any unique features or strengths that your neighborhood may offer. Once you have gathered enough data, bookmark the page for future reference. Download or print any reports that you find particularly useful for your research. Use this comprehensive information to make informed decisions about your neighborhood. With the insights from NeighborhoodScout, elevate your understanding and appreciation of your community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.